So I'm here under the dash, and our Speedo cable was all hooked up. Well, there's the sleeve for it. So I unhooked it from the back, and she kind of came right out. So our cable was broken. That's why the speeder didn't work. So I'm gonna order us a cable right now. Well, if that's square, it might just come undone down there. Oh no, it's broken on the tip. You can see it. Let's try to make that my focal point. Oh God, this is hard. Zoom in enhance. There. It's brokey. Damn it. Alright, I'll order one. So no one actually had a grommet, but this is actually a master cylinder seal that I cut the inside out of for like a newer Chevy car, but it's the diameter we need. I trimmed it out. I might trim it up just a little bit more, but it does as advertised. I mean, it's like perfect on our hole. So that step of the puzzle is coming together. Speedo cable ordered on the way. I may have one. I ordered from 2 different places. I may have one today. If not, I'll have it Monday. Napa's trying to get me one, and well, Zone's trying to get me one too. It's a race to see who can get it here first. I got our wheel reclocked. It's looking good. Also, I found the new handle for the shifter, so I'm gonna replace this old one. I'll pop it on. Coming along. I am going to drive it again this afternoon, get a nice couple miles on it, and when you come home this weekend, your job is to come over here and drive this baby. Oh, got these glued in too, looking like $1 million. All right, so I swapped out our high-low switch. We aren't wigging out anymore, so it's definitely a defect in that switch. All right, so I took the antenna apart and I got it down as far as it'll go with the cable and everything. So we're gonna have that little presidential looking nub, but I mean, she's not in there tight, but you know, we got that's pretty decent. Little Tom Dole magic. Maybe I need to drop that hole down a skosh just to make that a little tighter. But I think we're gonna be all right. Actually, I could just probably bend the bracket. But it looks pretty damn close. It's not perfect, but it's in there for now, and you and I can adjust it. We can do a little magic when you get home. But at least it seals the damn hole. All right, took this down to see if I can adjust it so it wouldn't whop George in the face at random. And no adjustment. We're gonna need to get one maybe from Frank or from someone. Part number 971524. There's all your part numbers. I'm taking pictures too. I'll put this back for right now so we can at least drive it. And I'm wrapping up the cowl screen after this. And the Speedo cable just showed up. There's a long story, because Napa dropped the ball. Surprise, surprise. Why I don't buy from them hardly at all anymore. So, anyway, progress. I just want you to be able to get home this weekend and go out for a Sunday morning drive. A little Sunday morning birthday week fun. Well, that explains why the Speedo cable is dead. And babies don't like sitting on the exhaust. Nice new Speedo cable. All right, our new Speedo cable, you can see it, it's right there, is in. Took a little hitch pin that we had, stuck it behind, and routed it to hold the tab, and put the tab behind it, and the pin is behind the panel. Yay! Done. Getting ready to go for another test drive. We knocked out everything on our list. You've got a working Speedo.
Foxy Lady, here I come, baby. Coming to get you.
You're going for a drive Sunday morning. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.